Hello, welcome to Apple Story Club. Today we got something interesting to show you. For most parents, the screen time of our children is a great concern, right? Well, today we got something that might be of interest to you. This is a game, or you may call it an educational game. In fact, the creators also call this an educational game. We are of the opinion that screen time can be reduced if we could give our children some good options to play, to do something that excites them. We found this game on Amazon while looking for some interesting learning options or game options for our kids. This is from a manufacturer called Skillmatics. This game is from the series Guess in 10. We think they want the children to guess the answer in 10 seconds. So that is why the name. So let's see what's inside. So when you open this, you're welcomed by a card, which is actually a promo card. This has some coupon codes that can give you some discounts when buying their products. And the second card is the rules and regulations card, and some sample questions are also given on the other side of the card. This actually looks like a very smart packing. It looks like a smartphone or tab when you open the box, but it is not a smartphone or a tab. It is just a set of cards. So we have two sets of cards here. Oh, the blue card is the clue card. Yeah, that's a clue card, and let's see how we could use these cards. But before that, I think we have to open this playing cards. So the first is, again, that's a promo card. The first card and the second card, both are promo cards. And let's see what is inside. Yes, so this is the first game. So I think the answer for this card is cheetah. And you have some buzzwords here: ferocious, mammal, long tail. So maybe when the children play, they will have to ask, the player would be asking the first, would be asking the buzzwords, and based on the buzzwords, the other player has to give an answer within 10 seconds. Which animal is this? And it looks like if they are not able to give the answer within 10 seconds, then we can use the clues. You have to show your clue card, and then the person who is asking the question might give a clue to the child or to the player, and maximum 3 clues in a game, in a card, and maybe based on that you can answer. And additionally, there is something interesting in this card. Can you see something like facts in this card? So it is given, they are giving some facts, interesting facts about, this particular animal. And so these are the other cards. Yeah, a lot of cards. There are some 50 cards in this set. Yeah, and at the end of each card, there is something called a bonus. So bonus is an extra activity, a small activity, which would be interesting for the child, a learning activity, a small activity which becomes a learning when they play the game. And every card has the main game, then some facts, and the bonus activity. So this looks quite impressive. This serves the purpose. When your child finishes playing the cards, he would be able to learn interesting facts about 50 animals. And not just for the child. If we play this with the child, I think it would be interesting for us, because we do not know most of the facts given in these cards. So it would be interesting for us too. Along with the child, we also learn new things. So this would be a good buy. This would be a good buy to keep your child engaged and reduce the screen time. So it would be good for you to try this set. And it is from Skillmatics. So Guess in 10, and the version which we had shown here is the Animal Planet game. So they have a few other range of games too, like the cities, then monuments and many things like that. So you can actually check their catalog, and then you can decide what to buy. This could be played from 6 to 99 years. Superb. Really good. Okay, so if you want, you can just try it. It's a family game, 2 to 6 players. So have some great fun time with your children.